ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, my last video when the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for buy. I mean, we mentioned about the both possibility, not the only buy. And even I mentioned that if I zoom out, even I mentioned, even I point on this, maybe from here or higher, we can get similar to any of this. As you can see, the price drop. Okay, and even when we put this one, that's mean this top in relative to this, we can see we had the divergence. That's why we were expecting, even I mentioned any buy, we need to know how to manage it, because from somewhere we can expect the price to drop. How deep it can go, we are not sure. Okay, now we move to other time frames. We want to see how, I mean, just for look for bigger picture. Anyway, we have been winning this move. The price is moving and it maintain the up move. But when we have this kind of the move, it's similar to what we have here. Even I mentioned somewhere sharply can continue, or maybe we can expect it. I mean, we don't talk about the reverse or bigger correction, okay? Because you are not going. I mean, we don't think about the price can reverse. Just give us some correction before the continuation, because if we get a correction, it can give us a better trade rather than moving within this range, okay? And even if we, how about based on daily chart, we have been within this, okay? MACD doesn't, I mean, the divergence based on MACD on daily is nothing, because after, if it maintained the up move, maybe after a few days, we won't see this one. And this one is quite different. Anyway, we don't need to rely on this. And even if we move to forward chart, all right, based on forward chart, I was explaining May is still we are winning this move. That's why I mentioned anytime the price break the previous top, you can expect any of this. Okay, now we are within this move. Okay, that's mean any buy from here, when the price come here to the this top, we need to know maybe there is a the price can drop. Okay, no, we don't have anything else. And even how about the MACD? Okay, we can see the divergence here. Okay, anyway, if I move to 1 hour chart, no, want to see how we can trade it. Okay, right now I don't see any trade setup that can give us, I mean, good trade, safe trade setup. The only thing is, if the price can correct here, if we get one more down, then any buy from there, I will take it. But I mean, at least I need to get the sharp move for, like, I mean, trade setup. Okay. But how about if the price move from here? I don't think so we can get a good trade setup, but we will see. If I see, I will share. And having an entry above this, I don't suggest unless we see any changes. The only thing is, if we get a correction from one more drop, then from there, this is what we prefer. By the way, we don't have any trade setup. We just follow. If I see any changes or update, then I will share things.